everybody. I want to give you a final update on the 57 Chevy. As you can see, I have it complete now. This was an incomplete model kit and my stepdad had never finished when he first put it together. Just finished doing a quick cleaning of the body. So here, we're going to open the hood for you. And he put some vinyl thing there underneath the hood. He had originally started the build with the big block 409 with the blower on the front of it, supercharger. So I got all that in there. Just finished putting the battery in. Got the grill there. Did the black wash on it and painted the front emblem. Only thing we're missing, the little detail on the side here. Could not find the decal set for that. Don't know where it is. So, and as you can see on the bottom here, he'd put a lot of the chrome suspension stuff. So this is a 3-in-1 kit. So he kind of did it in between stock and stylized a little bit there. And of course you can see the red exhaust. That was kind of his signature thing he did on all his cars. I got the rear bumper and tail lights in on it there. This one wasn't glued in there properly to begin with. I didn't try to pry it out or anything like that. Didn't want to break it. The interior was done and glued in, so I didn't try to take that out either. Looks like I did a good job on the gauges. I don't know if I can get in there. No, I can't get in there for y'all to see. In there, I don't have enough light. But there it is. The AMT 57 Chevy kit. If you didn't see the first one, here's the box for it. So it had two different options on it, the 283 or the 409. So we went with the 409 and kind of a stock look on the outside. Looks like he did do the stylized wheel covers, but he didn't do the stylized front end on it. There's no side mirrors on it. There's the side there. So the kit number is T757-200. So, but thank you for watching. If you watched all the first two videos, you'll see what it looked like before I started. If you hadn't, just search for that and go back and see the others. But there it is, and I'll try to pick out another car or kit to showcase next time. If you see something that I've showcased in the past that you want me to, that I haven't done yet, just drop me a line in the comments there, which one you would like to see next, or clean up or finish a build on, and I'll see if I can get to that. But make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Getting really close to 300. I want to thank all the new subscribers that's come out, and if you haven't had a channel, I'm really trying to like everybody that has a channel, to like their channel back, to see your videos and stuff. I might not watch all your videos, but thanks for watching mine, and until next time, thanks.